Hey there, thanks for tuning into the video today. Now, it's going to be nice, brief, and short, but really productive. It's basically talks about how to connect a keyboard and mouse, like this one, to multiple computers. Now, I got my kind of main computer back there. I use it for editing and some video games and stuff. And I got my work laptop right here. And then I have an iPad here too. So I'd have to juggle from my keyboard on my work laptop, then I'd have to juggle with my keyboard on my computer, and my desk started getting cluttered. And then I looked into how to make it easier, right? So there are a couple of options. There are software options. You can get like VNC and other kind of portals where you kind of set up like a network between two computers, and then if you do the right software and do everything right, you can kind of control like your laptop with from your keyboard, from your computer. But it's very complicated to do, and I wasn't interested in doing that. I didn't want to install weird software on my work computer. So there is another option actually, and I've just discovered doing some quick research online, and then I picked it up myself, that there's this keyboard from Logitech called the MK850, and it comes with this mouse. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to pair three separate devices right to the keyboard, and three separate devices right to this mouse. So that, right to this mouse. So then, with one button, I can switch between my computer, my main computer, my laptop, and also my iPad. And I was surprised. So same thing with my mouse, computer, laptop, and iPad. And when it's on the iPad here, the iPad works surprisingly well with a mouse and keyboard. I mean, look at that. I can go down, see what Netflix is doing, go right here to the Apple Store. It's got a cursor on there. Works remarkably well with an iPad. And then I just switch the button here, go to number one, let's say. Number one is my computer, so now I'm driving my computer. And let's bring this window up here. Oh yeah, we got my computer windows going. And then I have, what do I have here? I have this one that I wanted to bring up. Here it is. Let's go. So this is the MK850. That's what I got, and it works super well. It does support Bluetooth. So my laptop supports Bluetooth. My computer actually happens to support Bluetooth, and so does the iPad. The pairing process is very easy. Just press and hold, and then you get your device to discover it. But another good thing that it does do is it also supports the Logitech unified receivers. And I find those ones are extremely reliable. Bluetooth can sometimes have a little bit of lag, depends on the device, depends on however many Bluetooth connections you have connected to your device. And you want your mouse and keyboard to work solid, right? You don't want to, especially if you're playing a game and stuff. And yeah, wireless is actually good enough. You can get away with doing some good gaming these days with it. So what I like to do with my PC, I actually have the Logitech unified receiver. It's that little USB dongle, so that's compatible. And if you have a couple of those USB dongles kicking around, this keyboard will actually support multiple of those dongles. So you can actually, Bluetooth is great, and I do leverage it for the iPad and the laptop. But if you have a couple of more of those extra dongles and you want the rock solid performance that they do provide, you can actually have a dongle in your laptop, a dongle in your PC, and then the third device would be Bluetooth in my case with this iPad. So that's about it. I just wanted to share that. The hotkeys work great, the volume keys work great, and I'm able to simply now just sit back and drive everything with a single keyboard and mouse. And there are the software options that I covered at the start. There are also kind of hardware switches, like you can have a USB hub and you switch kind of like with a physical switcher, like a selector, select what device. But those are, mechanical. They're not as clean, and they don't just work as expected perfectly like this does. It's wireless, it works snappy. And the the more I live on this earth and this planet here, the more I realize that you got to have the right tool for the job. And then when you do that, you know, things work better. And so this is definitely the right tool for the job. The Logitech MK850. You can pair multiple devices to it. Works remarkably well with iPads, Windows devices. Works with Macbooks too. And that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them. If you have any other suggestions, let me know as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.